Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an LG brand of vacuum cleaner and it's giving you a C9 error and you're trying to figure out what is this error and what do you need to do to fix it. So first of all, the C9 error is an error with the rollers underneath the vacuum cleaner. So all you really need to do to get rid of this error is just, turn the vacuum cleaner upside down where so you can access the rollers underneath the vacuum, and just make sure there's nothing, because what will happen is stuff can get built up and then it's hard for it to spin, and then rather than the machine allowing itself to damage itself, it will just give you this error. So what you need to do is you need to clear out any obstructions or anything like that that is preventing the rollers from operating properly. And you can also, when you're under there, you can check for any damage or anything like that. But most of the time, there's just going to be like debris or something wrapped around the rollers or blocking the rollers from spinning properly. So anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.